Hi everyone! So in today's video we're going to build a greenhouse, and we'll build this greenhouse and we're going to do kind of a time lapse. That's the plan anyway. Okay, so brought this out to the shop here, and I opened up the box and there we go so far. And that's what it looks like packaged, and then we'll go to the next part, separating everything. Okay, stage 2, where we took everything out of the package and kind of set it all out likes with likes, and there's the directions. Okay, this is the next part of it. We have the base put together. We took out the cover here and kind of laid it over the buggy, and we're just proceeding. Okay, there's the second stage. We got the second tier up there. We're heading for the third. Okay, so we got the third tier done, and we got the little poo noodles on the edges to protect the edges so it doesn't rip the plastic. That was an extra on our part. And then we also put some zip ties here on the edges to kind of hold these down. And now we're going to start building the very top. Okay, so we got that top on, and we're going to move it outside, and then we're going to put the plastic cover on it, and then I'll show you at that point. Okay, so we moved it outside into the yard, and we're going to go ahead and put the plastic on, and then I'll show you the completion. Okay, so there is the final. That's the front side. I'm going to walk around here. There's the side. And there's the back. It should be fine unless we get a big wind, and then I'm not so sure that it'll hold up to a heavy wind, but there it is. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.